In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by sharing YouTube video links. You can share YouTube links and you can earn money for that. First, look at this website. This website will allow you to pay that money for you. For example, if you're able to share a link and 1000 clicks get for that link, and you can get paid around this amount of money. This is a CPM for the 1000 click. That you can see this is Taiwan country, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and you can get a bit much amount of this money. Like you can say $129, $68, $53. But if you go to the other countries like Nigeria, you're gonna pay $3.90, and Iceland you're gonna pay it around a little bit lower. Sweden you're gonna pay a little bit higher. India, Brazil, and other countries are here. In this video, I'm gonna show you which video you have to share and the platform where you're gonna share your link, and you get paid for that. So I can walk you through entire step. So watch the video. Also, I'm gonna show you other 10 websites similar to this one. You can repeat this method and you can earn money. So first, what you do, go to YouTube and search for the thing that you want to share. For example, I'm in the entertainment niche here. That you can see I search for top 10 series to watch, and this is the #1 video. It's nearly going to reach 1 million views, but it's published on 6 months ago. And this is the another video. It's getting views every single day. It's around 5.7 million. They are promoting top 10 Netflix or original TV show to watch. So you're gonna promote this video. This video already made by someone else. You don't have to record, you don't have to download, you don't have to re-upload this video. Basically, you can share this link and you can get paid for that. So I'm gonna show you how. First, to see it here, what you have to do, you can click open this video here and open this. This is the video. After that, you're gonna copy that link here. You're gonna go to website like this one called AdFly /publisher. There's other 10 website. I'm gonna show you a video that you can learn more about that. So what you have to do, you're gonna paste the link here. So you're gonna paste the link here. You're gonna click this one called shrink, that you can see. If you click shrink, this is the shortened version of the link. You're gonna copy that, and you can see if you share the link, you can earn money like that in your dashboard. Passive income. Like, so when you share the link, you're gonna get clicks today, tomorrow, month later, year later. You're gonna get paid for those clicks. Now, what this website basically gonna do, when you share your link through this website, so you copy and paste the link, you shorten the link. When you share your shortened version of the link, whenever people click that link, there's an advertisement played in the intermediate page. So you share the link. So I already copied that shortened version link. So when people click that link, the intermediate page pop up. There's a 5-second ad is playing for that. So whenever the viewers watch that 5-second videos, then after that it automatically redirect to the YouTube video which you are sharing here. And for that 5 seconds, you get paid for that. So if you're able to bring 1000 click for that link, you get paid in at the amount which I showed you before here. Different countries that you get paid in different amount. Now I'm going to show you where you can put this link without getting organic traffic and without getting blocked. Here, this is the one I'm using, Pinterest. Again, Pinterest allow ClickBank affiliate link, and also they allow this link. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before that, we need to know people are searching on that Pinterest what we are sharing. And so here, when you come to Pinterest, I put top 10, and you can automatically that you can see in the top search result on Pinterest, that you can see top 10 songs, top 10 series to watch, top 10 survival item, that you can see top 10 series to watch, which is the one I'm already want to promote here. So I copy that link, I shorten the link from AdFly here, I again copy that. So here I want to promote that. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to create a simple pin. You're going to go to Canva. This is the Canva website. You can select Pinterest pin, and it will take to this page here, and you can create a simple pin for this list. You can see top 10 best Netflix original series to watch, and you're going to copy this image from Google and you're going to put it on here and you download that. After you download that, what you're going to do, go to Pinterest again. You're going to click this one called create pin, and it will take to this page. Now what you do, click that and upload your pin. You're gonna put the title. You can go back to your YouTube video here, and you're gonna copy this entire title. You're gonna put it on here, After that, you're gonna put the same thing on the description, and you're gonna put some hashtag like this one, TV show Netflix, something like that. You can add after fire the character on here. So you can see so they recommend at least you add at least 100 character here. Then you can up to add 30 hashtags, something like that. Now here on the destination link, what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy and paste the shorten link that you already did. So here, this is the link I shortened, so I'm gonna copy that, go back to Pinterest, I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna select the board. You can board mean the board have a collection of the pin that you're uploading, so you can categorize that so it won't look like a messy. So you are promoting entertainment. I think I have an entertainment board on my Pinterest page. If not, what you can do, click this one called create board, and you're gonna put like this one, entertainment, and you're gonna keep this board secret. I don't want that, so you're gonna click create, and the board is created. So your all movie TV show related pin will be uploaded on here, and you're gonna click publish. Now it won't happen with the one pin, and it won't happen with the one single step. So you need to upload a couple of pin, so you can promote all the videos about TV shows, you can movies related to that. Also find the videos have a highest view. That means these videos are getting views every single day, so people are interested in watching that video. So what you do, find those videos, promoting that. At the same time, this creator won't give you copyright claim or something like that, because you are driving traffic to their videos, so you don't get any issues. So promote as many as video that possible. Now see, your pin is alive. So if you click here, see your pin, and it will take you here, and if you click that pin, and it will take it to that intermediate page which I talk about here. This is the ad fly intermediate page. There's an ad is playing for 5 seconds. After that, it will automatically redirect to you to the viewers to the video. Now this is how it's gonna happen when you're able to bring over 1,000 click, and you get paid in that money which I showed you before. Here, these are the CPM for each country. Now you can withdraw that money using your PayPal account. So I hope you understand this video. Again, if you go to my channels, and you can, this is the video I talked about in earlier. These are the top 10 website I talk about that you can shorten the link, share the link, and you get paid for that. So I put the link in the description, go and check it out. So you can shorten the link, and you really share the link, and you get paid for that. So I hope you understand, guys. So basic idea, you're gonna share YouTube links, you can get paid for that. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.